Welcome back, champions. This is Rise and Conquer channel. We unlock the mindset, discipline, and faith you need to rise higher and live with purpose. Tired of living small, tired of fear, tired of excuses, you're in the right place. 'Cause every week, we bring you powerful truths, strategies, and stories that will push you to become the person God created you to be. Now, let's dive into today's message.
Imagine having a coach who never sleeps, a mentor who never gets tired, a guide who knows your goals, tracks your progress, and challenges your excuses, all in the palm of your hand. That's the power of a personal AI mentor. Not for small changes. Not for minor improvements. But for massive growth. Why you need a personal AI mentor? Let's be honest, most people fail not because they lack dreams, but because they lack structure. They know what they want: health, wealth, freedom. But they get lost in distractions, laziness, or lack of clarity. A personal AI mentor changes that. It becomes your strategist, giving you step-by-step plans. Accountability partner, checking in daily. Teacher, feeding you books, lessons, and wisdom faster than you can Google them. Mirror, exposing blind spots you don't see. Growth without guidance is slow. Growth with a mentor is faster. Growth with an AI mentor? Exponential. The growth system. 1. Define your mission. Growth begins with clarity. Tell your AI, in the next 90 days, I want to do X, write the book. Build the business. Lose the weight. Clarity attracts strategy. 2. Break it into daily actions. Massive goals are broken into micro habits. Ask your AI, design me a daily 30-minute plan that compounds into my 90-day mission. Small steps. Big results. 3. Morning momentum. Start each day with a personal AI check-in. List my top 3 priorities today and give me one motivational line. That's fuel before you hit the battlefield. 4. Evening reflection. End the day with an AI review. Summarize what I did today, give me feedback, and suggest improvement for tomorrow. Reflection creates growth. 5. Weekly audits. Your AI mentor should track your progress. Ask it, give me a weekly report of my habits, my wins, my weak spots, and a plan to add just. What gets measured, grows. The role of the AI mentor in your growth areas. Health, create meal plans, design workouts, track consistency. Wealth, teach investing basics, simulate financial plans, keep you accountable to savings goals. Mindset, generate affirmations, role-play confidence situations, recommend books and summarize them for you. Relationships, coach you on communication, help you rehearse important conversations, and remind you of meaningful actions. Your AI mentor is not magic. It doesn't lift the weight for you. It doesn't type the book for you. But it removes confusion, excuses, and wasted time. A story of massive growth. There was a young man stuck in a cycle, gym for a week, then quit. Tried a business, gave up after a month. Always starting, never finishing. He decided to treat his AI as a real mentor. Every morning, it set his goals. Every night, it held him accountable. It tracked his workouts, rewired his schedule, rewrote his excuses. In 6 months, his body transformed. His business launched. His confidence skyrocketed. Why? Because discipline, when paired with guidance, produces unstoppable growth. The secret formula: human grit plus AI guidance. Listen, an AI mentor won't save you. It won't drag you out of bed. It won't silence your fears. That's on you. But when your human grit meets AI guidance, you become unstoppable. Your goals get clearer. Your steps get smaller and sharper. Your progress gets measurable. Your excuses get weaker. That's how you create action steps for you, starting today. 1. Write down one mission you want to achieve in the next 90 days. 2. Tell your AI, design me a plan to reach this goal step by step. 3. Commit to a daily check-in, morning and evening. 4. Track progress weekly and add just with your AI's feedback. 5. Stay consistent for 90 days. Watch the compound effects. Let me leave you with this: tools don't change lives. Discipline does. But the right tools can make discipline inevitable. Your personal AI mentor is not here to replace your effort. It's here to multiply it. To remind you when you forget. To challenge you when you get lazy. To show you patterns when you're blind. Use it wisely. Use it daily. Use it relentlessly. Because massive growth doesn't come from trying harder, it comes from training smarter. And with an AI mentor by your side, you're not just walking toward growth, you're running. The future is here. The mentor is in your pocket. The growth is in your hands. Go make it happen. Thank you, and God bless you.
Remember this, motivation gets you started, but discipline keeps you going. Your greatness is not in the future, it's already inside you, waiting for you to act. If today's message spoke to you, don't just listen, take action. And if you found value, hit that like button, share this with someone who needs encouragement, and subscribe so you don't miss the next breakthrough. Until next time, stay strong, stay focused, and live every day with purpose. God bless you.